How to add a user to a database and add privileges. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click on the MySQL Databases icon. Scroll down to Add User to Database section of the interface. To select the user you want to add, click to open the drop-down list and click again on the username. To select the database, click to open the drop-down list of databases and click again on the database name. Now click on the Add button. You can click on individual checkboxes to select or unselect particular rights you want to assign to the user. You can also click on the All Privileges checkbox to assign all the privileges to the user. After selecting the privileges, click on the Make Changes button. That's it, privileges have been assigned to the user for the selected database. Thank you for watching.